Hey guys, welcome to today's session. So today you see how this items are clicking, showing the reactions or the ratings of users of services. So if you want to know how this is done, please sit tight and learn. Hello guys, welcome to today's session. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create rating using emojis. So these emojis, I got these emojis from Figmoji, and the star I got it from Iconify. They are both plugins from the Figma community. So not wasting time, we go straight into our frame. You can create a frame, or you can easily draw a frame. You can easily draw a frame. Yeah, you can easily draw a frame. Let's make this a little bit bigger in size. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, this is great. So you put in your text here. Let's say, how would you rate our services? You know, how would you rate our services? I think this is a good text. Then you want to center this text. You want to center this text so it's going to be looking sharp. And then I love using poppins, because poppins gives this your text this kind of fine, make your text look beautiful. This text now is looking too black, so we don't want it to look too black. So let's go to our color, change the color to maybe something, something that is not too black. Yeah, I think this would be looking great. Yeah. How would you rate our services? And I'm going to change the background also, because the background is looking too white. So let me use the background or something like, yeah, something like this. Yeah, it's looking too white, so let's use that. So now what you want to do is you have to alternate and drag this star way over here. You create more of it. Let's say you create like 5, 3, this is 4, this is the 5th one. Yep. So we want to space them out a little bit. They are all 6 6. Make sure they are all like equally, shifted from each other and stuff. Make them more equal. Make them more equal. Think let's leave it this way. Yep. So let's center it too. You select all the stars and then center it. I think this star needs to be shifted a little bit closer to the other. You know. Yep. So I think this is okay. Then we have to also change the color of this star. It's looking too black, so we don't want it to look too black. So let's change the color to something like this. Yeah, let's do it for all of them. Yeah, this one too. Yeah, yeah, this one too. Let's change the color so it doesn't get too black. Okay, so that is done for that. So what you want to do next is you click on this frame and then you create a component. Yeah, you create a component and then you use a variant. Yeah, so what we do here is we duplicate this. You can either use Ctrl D, or you click on alternate and drag, so let's use Control D. Sorry, I didn't really click on the frame, so sorry. You have to click on the frame, then click Alternate D. Yeah, then you drag it down. Then you increase your component frame too. Increase it because you have to put like 5 of it there. So keep clicking Alternate D, Control D, Control D, Control D. You know, you keep dragging them down, drag them down, drag down. I think is it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we need one more here. Let's do another one more. Then before we do that, let's increase the length of the frame. Let's increase, sorry. Yeah. Go straight into editing the text. So this is, let's say this is a 1 star. So we'll give this a text. Let's say very poor. Very poor. Then I want to bring this here. Bring it closer to the stars and center it. Then this emoji, I want to bring it right into the frame and center it as well. Yep, very poor. Then this will give it a text, say poor. This is like people that don't like the site, giving the site, ratings they think is best for it. Let's bring this one over here. Let's make this 7 each for all the properties here. Let's bring this down to 7. Yeah. Close this. 7 or 8. Yeah. Then let's say we'll give this good, because this is just medium. So bring it also, yes, center it, bring it to 7. Then let's bring this emoji right here, click and drag it and put it, click and drag it, bring it right here. Let's see how many, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then want to make this rating here to be something like think very good, very good. These are for people that like the services that we're giving to them. Make this 7, and let's go over here, click the image and drag it down. Yep. Then this should be for the 5-star raters. Let's say I love it. Center the text, make it 7, so everything will be looking the same. Bring this emoji right here, bring it down, center it. Yes, 7. So when we are done with that, the next thing we have to do is to go straight into prototyping. Before before we start doing the prototyping, um, what you have to do now is to change the color. Change the color. Yeah, you change the color. I love using blue. I just don't know why, but I love using blue for my colors. So this is for the 1 star. We change it to blue. Yeah. Then we go down to the 2 star. So let's easily do it. You just select the both of them, and then you add stroke to it. You know, you add stroke, and then you also change the colors. Yep, change the colors to blue. This is for the 2 star. Then we go down again to the 3 star. 3 star. What you do is just select, then you change the color. You add stroke. Yeah, I just love this kind of style. It's kind of unique. So you add the stroke, you add the blue color, you change the colors of the field and everything. Yeah. Then the 4 star now, select 4 of them. 4. You add the stroke, then you change the colors to the blue. Change the colors to the blue. Yep. And then for the 5 star, you select all 5 of them. Select them all. Select. Then quickly you change the colors to blue. Yeah. Yep. So now we go straight into the prototyping of the design, because now we are done with the design itself. So we'll go straight into prototyping. So you select the prototype, and then we click on the 1st star, then we prototype it down to this. Yeah. Then we click on the 2nd star, we prototype it down to this. Yeah, we just do lots of prototyping, so it's going to be easy, navigating through it and stuff. This is for the second, this is for the 3rd star. So drag it. Yeah. Then for this, the 4th star, we drag it to this. Then for the 5th star, we drag it to this. Well, you can do it for like multiple of the stars, like you can just do it for all of them to easily go back to each of them. But or let's just do it. I wanted to just make it so sharp, but let's just do it. So let's go to the yeah. So we are prototyping the 4th star to this one. Yep. Prototyping the 3rd star back to this one. Prototyping the 2nd star. Let's just do it. So prototyping the 4th star straight to the first element here. Yeah. So for this too, let's see, if I click the 3rd, then for this I want to click the 2nd. If I click the 4th, for this I want to click the 3rd. So prototyping the 3rd, going back to this one. Yeah. Then for this, if I want to click the 2nd, prototype this going back to the 2nd. For this, if I want to click the 1st, prototype this going back to the 1st. So I think we should now go back to our designing to create a frame. We went back to design. So what you have to do now is you create a frame, because you can't drag this component and just put on the background. So we create a frame, and then alternate, and then you drag this and place it right here. So what you do next is you click on the frame, and then you click on the play button. Play. Yep. Let's see what we did. You make this full screen, and then yeah, poor, good, very good. I love it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and to get the notification for the next video. See you guys next time. Bye bye.